Welcome to the Acorn Finance How-To video series. We've been listening to your feedback, and you'll see the results in your new portal, which we've updated to make it even easier to offer your customers flexible payment options. Let's check it out. The first thing you'll notice is a more modern look and feel, making it more enjoyable and intuitive to find your way around. We've also simplified the navigation, putting the functions you use most at the top and making the resources and support you didn't know you had more visible. On your overview page, you can grab your loan invitation link, see recent applications, learn more about how financing works, and jump straight to your marketing kit for digital advertising that can help attract and qualify your customers. To get your loan invitation link, click the button labeled Invite a Customer and choose how you'd like to share it with your customer. On your applications page, you'll see all the applications your customers have completed with details to help you troubleshoot if you need to. Your rates page shows you the nitty-gritty for each of our lenders, so you can review and compare term lengths, interest rates, loan amounts, and more. We've also fully redesigned your marketing kit so you can more confidently spread the word about financing. Navigate to your advertised financing page, where you'll find banners for your estimates, a landing page for your site's social media ads, and one-pagers along with instructions and examples showing you how to use them and why you should. And of course, you can still estimate payments, add users, see reports about your customers' application activity, and more from anywhere, because we've also made your portal more mobile-friendly. Your contractor advisor is standing by to help walk you through any questions that come up. Let us know if there's anything else we can do to make your portal everything you want it to be.